Welcome to Southern Country Living, where Calvin and Marie's love is always given. Cooking up a storm, sharing their life. Do what you love what you do. That's their advice. Down in the South, where the living is sweet, come on in, take a seat. We'll show you how to cook with love and live a life that you're proud of. Join us on this journey, come along for the ride.
Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living.
And I'm Marie.
We hope everyone's doing great today. Marie and I are getting ready to have a really good, delicious evening meal. And it's going to be called creamy pasta with ground beef. And on today's meal, we're going to be using this Italian pasta that was sent to us by one of our viewers. And this pasta is gluten-free. We don't know who sent it to us, so if you're the one that sent it to us through Amazon, let us know you sent it to us. But the ingredients for it, it calls for 8 ounces of elbow macaroni pasta, but we're going to use this type, and this is called fusilli number 48, but I think it's going to be good. I can't wait to try it. We're going to be using 1 pound of ground beef, 8 ounces of cream cheese. We're going to be using 1 can. This is the same as Rotel tomatoes, but it's tomatoes with diced peppers. We're going to be using 1 cup of beef broth, 1 cup of cheese, and I'm going to top it with just a little bit of parsley. And so not very many ingredients. It's going to cook pretty fast. I've already got the water starting to boil over here. So first thing I'm going to do is drop this pasta in there. Marie, it calls for 8 ounces. And this is a 12-ounce bag. So I'm going to put just a little over half of this.
Okay, did you tell your spices?
I didn't tell my spices, but they'll all be listed in the description below with the recipe.
Okay.
So let me put this pasta in here and get it started. And we've never used this pasta before, so it's going to be new for us.
We usually use barilla, don't we?
We do, yeah. Okay, let me give that a little stir. And it says let this pasta cook for about 11 minutes. So I'll get the timer set. Okay, I'm going to set that to the side for a minute. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get the ground beef cooking. And this is the ground beef that we bought from Sam's Club. We actually bought it on August the 15th. It's been frozen since then, and I'm hoping it's thawed out enough that, that it'll cook good. Let's see. A little tricky to get these packets open. If I can't get it with my fingers, I'll get the scissors and get it. I guess I'm going to have to get the scissors.
I'll get them for you.
I don't mind getting them. I think I've got it. Yeah, I think I got it. Okay, there it comes. Okay, I've got a little bit of olive oil in here heating up. Normally when I cook ground beef, I don't usually add olive oil to it, but I've noticed that several recipes list, to add the olive oil to the pan before you cook the ground beef. So I went ahead and put it in on this recipe. Okay, see if I can drop that in there without making a mess. Okay, and I'll throw that away in just a minute. Okay, let me get this broke up, and it just barely is thawed out enough and ready to use.
Yeah.
But that'll be okay. It may take a couple of minutes longer to get this cooked. But so I'm gonna let this start cooking, and I'll keep this pasta stirred over here. Let me give it another stir right now. Okay.
I've already made us a garden salad, and then I also made us some, they're similar to Red Lobster biscuits, but it's a different mix that I used. And I've already tasted one of them, but I like the Red Lobster the best, the Red Lobster mix.
Well, they looked good, Marie,
Yeah,
and they smelled good, but I'm not going to try them because they are gluten.
yeah.
But they do look good. Was that the package that you got at
The Dollar Tree.
Aldi's?
I think I got it at the Dollar Tree.
Oh, okay. It was a Dollar Tree. Okay.
That may be the reason. They still taste good though, but Red Lobster brand is better.
Okay, so we're going to let this cook for a few minutes, get it browned real good, and then I'll be back with you. Okay, everyone, I'm back, and I've got the ground beef browned, and I've got it drained real good. The pasta, it is done. I've just got it sitting up there waiting. And like I told you, this recipe goes fast. Okay, I'm going to add my seasonings to it, and this is a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, and about a quarter teaspoon of salt and pepper. So let me put this in. So we're going to cook this and let it cook in for about a minute here. I love adding the seasonings to it. It always smells so good. Like I always say, that's the fun part about cooking, is getting to smell everything. Okay, while that's continuing to cook there for a minute, I'm going to go ahead and open up the cream cheese. And Marie put this out for me about an hour ago, and it's already got good and soft. So hopefully it'll go in there real good. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and scrape this off and get every bit of it. Okay. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes to it, and this is the Rotel tomatoes. It's just a little small 10-ounce can, and we'll put in there with the juice and all. And next I'm going to add the beef broth to it, and this is gluten-free broth. So if you're making it gluten-free, be sure you use gluten-free ingredients. Okay. Okay, so what I want to do now is I'm just going to stir this up real good, and I'm going to continue to stir it until all this cream cheese melts and it just becomes a real creamy mixture. So that's probably going to take maybe a couple, 3 minutes here. So I'll keep stirring it, and when it gets mixed up real good together, I'll come back to you. It's already starting to mix up pretty fast, so it won't take too long. Okay, be back in just a few minutes. Marie, this cooks so fast, I can't keep up with it. I'm glad you was helping me. I never could have got all this done today.
It makes a good weeknight meal, doesn't it?
Oh, absolutely. And let me tell you, this is smelling so good. I can't wait to try it. Okay. Next thing we'll do, I've got my pasta here. I'm going to go ahead and pour the pasta into it. And I'm going to go ahead and add the 1 cup of cheese to it. all we gotta do now is stir around, mix it in till this cheese melts. I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut the heat off because I think it's hot enough for it to melt, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm liking how it's looking.
Yes.
Is that a word? Okay, I think that cheddar cheese is all melted, Marie. It looks good.
It really does.
Marie, this is good and cheesy too.
Mm-hmm.
Watch that cheese start stringing right there.
Mm-hmm.
I like it when it does that. Okay, Marie, if you're ready, I'll put us some on a plate. And you've already got the salads ready, and you've got our tea ready, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay. How much you want?
Um,
About half a plateful?
Yeah. I didn't eat any lunch, so.
Okay.
I ate a late breakfast.
Boy, it's good and cheesy. I like that, Marie. Okay, Marie. Yours. Let me give me some. I'm going to get a pretty good bit, but probably not quite that much. I almost got that much, didn't I, Marie?
You know what you can eat.
Yeah, okay, Marie. All we got to do now is put some parsley on there, and then we'll be ready for the taste test. Are you ready?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, everyone, this really looks good. We've got our parsley on there now, so I'm ready to do a taste test. Marie, your biscuit looks good. I'm jealous. You've got a recipe to make that gluten-free,
Yes.
and one day we'll have to experiment with it, but for right now, I'm happy without it. Oh, this looks so good.
It's very good and creamy.
Mm. Very creamy, and the noodles are perfect. I like those noodles. You know, when I eat the gluten-free bread, it's just not as good. But these noodles are good. I can't tell any difference, to be honest with you.
It has a great taste to it. You can taste that cream cheese in it, and that it makes it taste really good.
Mm-hmm. One more bite. Definitely 2 thumbs up. That is good.
And it's an economical, easy night recipe also.
Let me get one more drink. We're using Rotel tomatoes. We had the original Rotel flavor, so they're just a little spicy or hot. Sometimes we like to buy the mild ones, don't we, Marie? So this is a little spicy hot, but not too bad, but very creamy and delicious. I love it.
It's really delicious.
Did you try any of your biscuits yet to see how that was?
I've already tried one today.
Oh, okay.
And it was delicious.
Okay, that's great then. Okay, well, we got a good salad to go with it. Y'all have seen Marie make her salads before. She makes the best salads.
I was making them behind the scenes, wasn't I?
You was, yeah. But this right here is a fast meal. I didn't time exactly how long it took, but it don't take long at all. I think it was 11 minutes to cook the pasta, and the ground beef cooked in about that same amount of time. And then I did have to cook it for about 3 or 4 minutes to get the cream cheese to melt into it. So probably total cooking time was about 20 to 25 minutes, then just plating it up. But very delicious. We love it. If you try this meal, leave a comment, let us know how you like it. And if you got any suggestions to add to it, let us know. You could put some red peppers and green peppers in here, but we wanted to make it like this just in case if we have some little grandchildren pop by later this evening, they want to try some, they'll like it better without the peppers in it. Okay, y'all have a great day, and be sure and hit the thumbs up button. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe, because we make a lot of meals that are similar to this, and Marie makes some really good desserts also. So y'all be sure and subscribe to our channel so you'll get to see all of the videos that we make. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you on the next video.
And y'all do what you love and love what you do. And like Kevin said, we'll see you on the next video. And y'all have a great day. Bye.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors.